kulturang kamote sa pagmamaneho sa kalye, matagal na yan. 27 years ago, namatay ang AirPods ko dahil sa kultura na yan. Tama na maging kamote rider o driver. Tigilan na natin, palitan na natin yan. Hey guys, Coach Sam Tamay here, and I want to discuss about a new term that I might be using a lot kasi, you know, I wanted to propagate safety riding. Aside from giving tips, particular people think off-roading lang yung expert tayo and linya natin, but not all people know that Coach Sam Tamay is actually an LTO, Land Transportation Office accredited instructor. So we have to undergo schooling, undergo assessment and practical and both theoretical, and awa ng Diyos, pumasa naman tayo doon. So I have two passion, of course racing, and that would be the extreme side, and advance in motorcycling, so motocross, endurocross, track. Pero the other hand, ang isa sa tunay na passion ko talaga is, people didn't know, was safety riding. Because if you don't know, namatay ang AirPods ko dahil merong isang nagmamaneho na hindi alam yung mga safety riding principles and rules. Did you know that 1 out of the 4 competency para ka mabigyan ng lisensya, sa totoo lang, knowing, understanding and knowing yung batas trapiko, dapat alam mo, diba? So nakakalungkot lang. Anyway, so etymology of the word, ano ang tatawag natin sa rider na matino, mabuti, and dapat yan pakalati natin. So opposite ng kamote rider, kabuti rider. So, maging kabuti rider tayo. Etymology nito, galing to sa boss Serge ko, Bernal, ng Shell Motocross Racing Team back in the days. Coming from the word mabuting rider, di ba? Musunod batas trapiko, respectful. And kabuti, mushroom, let's proliferate, padamihin ito. So, maging kabuti rider tayo. This is Coach Sam Tamayo. To God be the glory.